In this video, we'll show you how to replace images on your website in WordPress using the DigitalEasy AI image generator. Okay, so we are starting having already logged in to our WordPress AI web builder, and we are on the site assistant page. Typically, to find where I want to make a change to my site, I will view the site and drop in specifically to the page I want to fix. So we're in our site. We are still logged in the editor, so you see the navigation bar for the editor there. But we can scroll through the site and find anything that we'd like to change. We can literally click through the site to find something we want to change. But let's go ahead and change the initial image at the top of this page. So what we'll do is we'll click Edit Page. Notice we're not clicking Edit Site. Edit Site is simply to update something that would be across the entire site, regardless of what page you're on, like the header and the footer. But to edit the content inside a specific page, we click Edit Page. Once we're in edit mode, we'll go ahead and click on the actual block that we want to edit. In this instance, it's this image that we want to edit, and we can click Replace. We could actually upload an image from our computer, swap it out with an image that we've already uploaded that's already in the image library for the web builder. But we want to get a personalized image built by AI, so we can click that here or Ask AI. Either will open this toolbar, the AI toolbar, over to the right hand side here, and the top option is AI image generator. So we need to prompt the image generator to know what we want to do. This is where the more details you put in, the more likely the image that's generated will be what's in your vision, in your mind. So for example, let's just put a generic request in, and then we'll tweak it to improve it. So we'll just say plumber fixing a leak. You can choose if you want a square image, a rectangle flat image, rectangle vertical image. Looking at what we're trying to replace, looks square to me, so we'll use the square image, and we'll click Generate Image. This will take a few seconds, as this is literally AI creating an image that has never been seen in the world before, unique to you, which is pretty cool. All right, so there's the image, and as we can see, it's pretty cool. We might want to use this image, but we might also say, well, although we are all for women plumbers, our small business is me, a single male owner. So I'm going to go back to the image generator and delete this image, and now I'm going to say male plumber in his early 30s fixing a leaky pipe underneath the crawl space of a residential home. So just more specific details to get what you were hoping the image would show. I click the button to generate the image, and again, it'll take a few seconds because it's creating something brand new. And there we go. So we'll click Use this image, and it literally swaps out the image that we had with the AI image we just generated, and we'll go ahead and click the Save button. And if we exit out and visit our website, we now see that that image is there. Visit digitaleasy.cloud to learn more about how we make digital easy for you and get started today.